Hola, estudiantes. Here's something that another student created years ago for one of my classes that I'm teaching face-to-face or even hybrid. It works in every single class, and I think it's going to be helpful for you guys to memorize the preterite endings of regular AR, ER, and IR verbs, and also to pronounce them correctly. So here is the chart of AR verb endings in the preterite when they are regular, and the endings are aste, o, amos, astes, aron, and we have to take very careful notice of the accent mark on the and the o. Then ER and IR verbs conjugate the same way: iste, yo, imos, istes, yeron. And again, we notice the accent mark on the O of yo and on the I. Make sure that in that third person, you're putting the accent on the O and not the I. So here's a little song that a student discovered works very well for this. It is silly. You're going to listen to it once, then you're going to hear me sing it, and then you'll hopefully get it stuck in your head and walk around singing it. So here comes the song. The first 21 seconds of the song Me Love by Sean Kingston, and instead of singing the we are going to sing instead aste, amos, astes, aron, me love, iste, yo, imos, istes, yeron, me love. Silly? Absolutely. Weird? Even more weird than I wish to admit. But it works. So here is the exact same song in the instrumental version of it so that you can sing it by yourself. I'll sing it one time, and then on the other side of the computer screen, I hope that all of you are singing it. This one does have an introduction, and I'll count us in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Aste, amos, astes, aron, me love. Iste, yo, imos, istes, yeron, me love. Your turn. Amos, astes, aron, me love. Iste, yo, me love. Okay, so when we pronounce these verbs, we want to say hablé, hablaste, habló, hablaron, hablastes, hablaron. Comí, comiste, comió, comimos, comisteis, comieron. I don't want to hear hable. It's not hable, it's hablé. Hablaste, not hablo, that's the present tense, it's habló. Let's go over to comí. It's not comí, comí. Accent on the I, stress the I. Comí, comiste, comió, comimos, comisteis, comieron. These are the regular ones.